Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I want to try to show you the way how to remove stickers on TikTok application. So the first way that you have to do is just go open your TikTok application. There will be like 5 sections on your TikTok. There will be a home, the place where in a variety everyone content could be pop up on your screen and you as your feed here. And then the second one, it might be shop. It will just depending to the country that you use the TikTok. Some of you probably have no TikTok shop, but in Indonesia have it. So this one is for creating the new content. This one is for inboxes or messages, and this one is for your profile. To open the stickers collection of your TikTok account, go click profile. So you just need to take a look on this line. There will be like several sections. This one is for your content collection. This one is for the stickers. This one is for private content. This one is content that you have been reposted. This one is content that you save, and this one is content that you like. So if you want to remove these stickers from your TikTok, you just need to go click which stickers that you want to remove. Let's say here I will to remove this sticker, so you just need to go click and hold it. Click. And after that, there will be like several options down here, so you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the stickers. And you're done, so that the stickers has already disappeared. That's the way how to remove stickers on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.